Today's our topic is reference image, and we will see that how we can use reference images and we can edit our pics in MidJourney. For this reason, we will not waste our time and let's start. First of all, we will click on this plus icon and small pop-up will come, and we have to click on upload a file and we have to choose picture that we want to edit or use as a reference image from our system. So we will choose this. After choosing your picture, you have to click on open, and when you will click open, now you have to just click or hit enter and your picture will be uploaded. So here is your picture. Now next step is that you have to click on it and now right click, copy image address or copy link, both are same. So we have to click on copy image address and our link will be copied. Now come here, type slash, click on imagine prompt. You have to paste your link here of this picture. So for this reason, with the help of Control V, I will paste my link here, comma, space, and now I will write my prompt here. So here is our prompt and you can see and read, a futuristic cityscape bathed in the dim hues of twilight serves as a backdrop for this captivating artwork. So now all we have to just click or hit enter and we will see that what MidJourney will provide us. So MidJourney has provided us these four picture 1, 2, 3, 4. So U1 to U4 mean if you want to upscale any of these pictures, you have to click U1 according to picture number 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want 4 more variations of any of these picture, you have to click V1, V2, V3, V4. You will get 4 more variations of each picture. And if you will click on reroll, you will get more 4 pictures, and then you can again U1 to U4 and V1 to V4. Let me open it in a new tab so we can see the full quality result. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's all up to you which one you want to upscale. Now if you want again more 4 variations or you want to upscale, it's all up to you. So for this reason we will click on V2 because we want these 4 variations. If you want these 4 variations, you have to click on V3, but we will click on V2 and we will get more 4 variations like this. Let me open it again in a new tab, picture 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you want to upscale any from these pictures, you have to click U1, U2, U3, U4 according to number of these pictures. So when we will click on U3, mean we want to upscale this picture. So when we will click on U3, MidJourney will provide us this picture. And if you want more variations, you have to click on make variations. But if you are okay with it, click in open in browser so we can see the full quality of this picture. And here is our final result. I wish this video will help you to edit your own pics in MidJourney. If you have any type of queries, you can comment.